back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Now I was ready to get a couple deals that I saw, and then I go there and like my store prices are not the size that everybody else is saying. So I decided to skip a couple deals, but I did do a couple deals where I had to pay a little bit more out of pocket. But you know what? It doesn't mean extreme couponing doesn't mean everything has to be for free, in my opinion. I mean, I still think we are getting a great deal, and what I actually paid out of pocket, I'm okay with. You know, I think it's still an awesome deal for how much crap we get and how much we truly pay out of pocket. I think it is a great deal. So let's begin so I can share with you guys what I got at CVS. I'm not even prepared. I got my Walgreens breakdown right here. So we got that going on. Okay. So now, as you guys know, I have two cards because I one time wanted to get more of the special deals that they had, and so then I got a second card, and then I kind of want to get rid of the second card, but I'm still going to keep both of them because sometimes one card has better deals than the other one. And I like to show you guys as many deals as I can because, you know, everybody has different things on their cards, so why not share with you guys what I got. So, and then what happened is when I printed off, or when I paid for both of my items, at the very end of the receipt, I ended up getting a coupon for $8 off of 60 CRT. I got it for both cards. I haven't seen one of those in years. I don't even know if they still even do that stuff, but if they still do, let me know. But, yeah, and another thing I do want to mention is the Coupon Addict t-shirts. If you guys are interested in one, Tuesday, the 10th is the last day, so it ends at midnight. I just recently bought a t-shirt and a hoodie, but if you guys are interested, this is a one-of-a-kind deal. I designed the shirt myself. It's no longer going to be available after they're not for sale unless I ask the company to print off more. But if you guys are interested, go for it. It's the last day to get this Coupon Addict t-shirt, so I work, you know, I just want to let you guys know on that. So if you guys are still interested, some of you guys said you were interested, so just letting you guys know, So the first deal that I really wanted to do is shampoo and conditioner because I've been slacking on shampoo and conditioner, and I feel like July is going to be a great month for shampoo and conditioner. Enough with that word. I know, I'm sorry. But I ended up getting the L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner. Now these were 2 for $8. Now you guys want to use that 4 off of 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys also want to use a 2 off of 2 instant coupon that we got from the red box. So you guys would end up getting these for just $2 or $1 a piece, which could be an okay deal. I think anything under $1 for shampoo and conditioner is a pretty okay deal. If you guys can get it free, that's the best. But, you know, it's average. You guys can do that. So I ended up doing that with my one card, and then I'm like, you know what? I really want to stock up on shampoo and conditioner because I have a friend who really loves the L'Oreal stuff. So it's like I wanted to get extras so I can give them to her. So I ended up doing, where is the other one? I ended up using both cards, and I got both of those. I also got the Mitchum deodorant. Now, I had a CRT for $2 off of 8, so I decided to do that deal. So these were $2.99. You guys want to use 3 of those $2 off coupons that we just got in today's paper. You guys also want to use that 2 off of 8 CRT. Now both of my cards had it, but I didn't have enough coupons, so I just got it with one card, which I'm totally fine with. But you guys would get all 3 of these for just 97 cents. That comes out to be 32 cents a piece. And I actually got the Mitchum Clinical Performance. I thought, you know what, those are the same price as just the normal ones, so I thought I'm going to get those. So could not go wrong with 32-cent deodorant. I ended up getting Palmolive for both cards because I really like stocking up on 49-cent soap. So these were 99 cents. There is a digital coupon that you guys can clip to your card on the CVS app. So you guys would just get these for 99 cents with that 50-cent off coupon for just 49 cents a piece. Both of my cards had it, so I ended up clipping it twice. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. And I like getting soap for 50 cents. I'll pay 50 cents for soap anytime because I think that's a great price. Now, I ended up doing the Pepto-Bismol. Now, sorry, when I was a kid, I kind of still call this, if I'm not paying attention, I call it Pepto-Gizmo because I used to watch, not Gizmo, yeah, Pepto-Gizmo because I used to watch Gremlins all the time as a kid. Yeah, I know. I was 5 years old and I was obsessed with the Gremlins. Yep. I used to watch a lot of scary movies when I was a kid. It didn't bother me whatsoever. But I wanted to do the Pepto-Bismol. Now, all my stuff was like super expensive. These ones were $4.69. Now, we do have those dollar off coupons, but those coupons are for 8 ounces or more, and these are 4 ounces. So you guys cannot use those coupons. So, but everything that they wanted was like a 10 something, 6 something. So these were $4.69. I used a dollar off. If you buy one, you get $1 off. So you get, these are technically $3.69 without using that coupon. You guys would just pay $7.38 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $5 ECB, making it $2.38. So I mean, it's up to you guys if you want to do this deal. I never get Pepto-Bismol, so I wanted to get it just in case we have it. And I sometimes think this, from what I remember, this stuff tastes like candy. It tastes like those pink mints that you guys can get. So I wanted to get with that, and the husband was actually pretty excited for something we can have that's different. Now, I ended up getting a CRT for $2 off any baby wipes. So I ended up just getting just from regular wipes. These were $2.99. I used that $2 CRT that I got, so I just got this bad boy for just 99 cents. And there are 72 wipes in here. I thought, you know what, can't go wrong with baby wipes. I don't use them just for the diapers. I use them to clean stuff around, and they're always great to have in my car. I mean, there's so many uses for baby wipes, you guys have no idea. I ended up getting the Priscilla laundry detergent because this by far is my favorite laundry detergent like crazy. I use this stuff all the time. But this one was $4.94. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon that we just got in today's paper. You guys would just pay $2.94 for this. But then there showed up a deal on Saving Star, so you guys will get $2 back also. So this comes out to be just 94 cents. But if you guys also do the Priscilla pods, these are $4.94. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we got in today's paper. You guys would just pay $1.94. But then you guys will get $3 back with Saving Star. So this comes out to be a $1.06 moneymaker. So if you guys actually buy both of these, use both of those coupons, these both will become free. So I just wanted to share with you guys with that. It might even become a moneymaker also, but definitely wanted to share with you guys on the Priscilla deal because I love Priscilla. Okay. I ended up getting this Febreze one. Now, I had the buy one get one free coupon that we got in today's, or the P&G inserts, and then I had a CRT where it says buy one starter get a refill free, and I was like, okay, what can I do? What is the situation I can do with that? So I was trying to figure something like that out. But these were $5.99 and $4.99. But it was buy one get one 50% off, so $5.99 and $2.49. I used that buy one get one free coupon that is in the P&G inserts. It takes off up to $3.29 for that. But then I also got the buy one get one free coupon, so that took off $2.49. So I ended up getting both of these for just $2.79 or $1.35. I've never gotten these before, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to try it. Something I never get, I was going to try it. So if you guys got that deal, look out for that deal. I ended up getting the glucerin, I can't even pronounce this. I give these to my mom. These were $5.69. Now my store, I swear, had it for $5.49. But when they rang out $5.69. I'm not going to make a big hoot that the price was wrong. But you guys want to use 2 of those $2 off coupons. Now there's some that just came out today. I didn't get those coupons yet, but I ended up having coupons from previously, so I ended up using those. So you guys would pay $7.38 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 ECB back. Oh, I grabbed 2 different flavors, chocolate peanut and chocolate caramel. That's probably why I looked wrong. But anyways, $5.69. You guys will get a $5 ECB back, making it just $2.38 for these. So if you guys are interested in something like that, go for it. My mom is diabetic, so I get her those treats. Now, I also got the Hershey Gold chocolate. These were $2.99. I had a $1 off CRT that I got from last week. Plus, there is a $1 off coupon in the CVS app. You guys would just get this for 99 cents, and I think that's a great deal for candy for 99 cents. So I wanted to go ahead with that for to bring to work. And then I had a couple body wash CRTs that I did not want to go to waste. So let me share with you guys on that. So the soft soap is 2 for $7. Now, we haven't been able to print off those 75% off coupons for a couple weeks now, which is fine. So 2 for $7. And then this little CVS brand body wash is it is $1.99. So I had a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT that was expiring today, and then I received a 2 off of 2 soft soap CRT that I got today. So what I ended up doing is buying all 3 of these. I used that 2 off of 8 body wash CRT and then the 2 off of 2 soft soap CRT. I ended up getting these 3 for $4.99. But then you guys will get $3 back when you buy the body wash. So I ended up paying $1.99 for all 3 of these, or they come up to be just 66 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested in doing a body wash deal, definitely go ahead and do that. I wanted to get the Crest toothpaste and the Colgate toothpaste, but my store didn't have it priced what I thought it was going to be, so I ended up not doing that deal. But otherwise, I got everything I want. I didn't get hardly any makeup, which I wanted to get makeup, but I just didn't. I'm hoping there's a great week for makeup next week. But out of my 2 cards, 1 transaction came to $2.85. I used $13 worth of ECBs, but I only received $8 back. So that came to be $7.85. I've been losing my ECBs like crazy. I don't know why. I just feel like their deals have not been the greatest, which is fine. I mean, I'm still getting stuff a lot cheaper, but I just end up paying a little bit more out of pocket than what I truly want to be, but I don't care. It's not a big deal. My second transaction came to $2.91. I used $16 worth of ECBs, but I only received 5 back. I know, it's crazy. But then I also will be getting $5 back from Saving Star for the 2 Priscilla deals. So that came to $8.91. But if you add everything together, I paid $16.76 for everything. I got 22 items. That comes out to be 76 cents a piece. I don't know. I think 16 bucks for everything, including like everything that I got. I think that could be a pretty decent deal if you guys truly think about it. So, I mean, just right there alone, 4 bottles of shampoo and conditioner are 16 bucks. So if you guys think about that, and then I got everything else for free, maybe. But yes, I just wanted to say thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to order your shirts. Again, Tuesday is the last deal, and they will no longer be available. So just letting you guys know on that. But again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I like to show you guys weekly CVS hauls every single week on deals that you guys might have. And I will catch you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.